What if I told you that one of the most powerful Ford V8 engines ever built could be crammed into one of the smallest trucks on the planet? Sounds insane, right? Well, today, we're doing just that, taking a classic mini pickup and stuffing it with a monstrous Ford V8. This isn't just a swap, it's a full-blown automotive rebellion. Buckle up, because this is going to be wild. Now, why on earth would someone even attempt this? The mini pickup was designed to be small, lightweight, and fuel-efficient, not to handle the insane power of a high-performance Ford V8. But that's exactly what makes this build so exciting. We're pushing the limits of engineering and defying expectations. Now, let's be real. There are a lot of challenges with this kind of build. First, size. The Ford V8 is massive compared to the Mini's stock engine. We have to figure out how to fit it under the hood without the whole truck exploding. Second, weight distribution. A V8 up front means this thing could handle like a brick on wheels. And third, structural integrity. Can the mini pickup even handle this kind of power without twisting itself into a pretzel? Alright, so here's what we had to do. First, the chassis needed serious reinforcement. Custom welded steel supports to handle the extra power. Second, the transmission. There's no way the stock gearbox could handle the torque of a Ford V8, so we upgraded it to a high-performance racing transmission. And finally, suspension. Because let's be honest, this thing would be uncontrollable without some serious upgrades. And now, the moment of truth. After weeks of planning, welding, and countless late nights in the garage, it's time to fire up this beast. That sound? That's the sound of victory. But how does it drive? Let's take it to the track. So, what did we learn today? The Ford V8 mini pickup is not just a crazy idea, it's a reality. It's raw, it's loud, and it's unbelievably fun. Against all odds, this tiny truck now has the heart of a beast, and we proved that anything is possible in the world of car modifications. Now, we want to hear from you. What's the craziest engine swap you've ever seen, and what should we swap next? Let us know in the comments. And if you love crazy car builds like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of Turbo Car Craze. See you in the next one.